and on behalf of the Government of Ireland, I want to join with you here today in launching at this media event the National and World Ploughing Championships.
It's crazy, we're still planning. I won't say we're not, we're still, the finer details still happening back in the office, and there's more to happen, but it's been exciting. We've put a great programme together, we think, for the visitors.
You come into a bare field and you set up all the services, the electricity, the water, toilet facilities, catering, all of that. And of course the steel roadway to make it easy for the heavy machinery to come in and get out. It added tremendous work, but it also added tremendous interest to a number of people that may not bother really coming to the national, but will come to see competitors ploughing from New Zealand, Canada, Finland, all 26 countries. Thank you to everyone for coming, and we're here in Laois, and Laois have been very privileged, I would say, to have the event, and we worked hard to get it to Laois.